Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and receive everything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! If you have not subscribed, you are missing out. So today I am going to cover in this video, seriously, reaching your goals. I mean, really. In order to get to six figures and beyond, there are certain things you have to do in here before you can get to there, meaning the actual outside, you've got to do some things in the inside. And one of the things you have to do is understand what it takes to set goals. The problem with a lot of individuals is by now we're looking at May. We're getting close to, beginning of May. And a lot of people have set goals, and within the first, 3-4 weeks, they've already gone to the wayside. Those of you that are wanting to pick that back up and continue forward with building your business the way you always knew you could, it definitely comes down to setting goals. And setting goals can be a challenge because you don't really know how to set the goals. And there's like this whole big thing. You could take a whole course on goal setting, but I'm just going to give you a couple of things that have worked for me. And one of the things is to write them down. I say that time and time again. Writing down your goals helps you to think about them because you have to translate them or transfer them from your mind to pen and paper. So I love writing, not typing, but writing them down. That way I have to think about it. The second thing you can do is to really understand why. Why are you interested in setting the goal? Understanding the why is the emotional part. That really gets us to thinking and makes it relevant to us. The third thing, talking about relevance, is it really something that you can achieve? So let's say you are at absolute, like zero right now. It's almost close to the middle of the year and you want to get to 200,000. Is that really possible? You might set a goal for reaching 25,000, then 50,000. So in other words, don't set yourself up for defeat. Small goals will do that for you. The next thing you want to talk about is what you need to do every single day, every week, every month, and every quarter to get to your goals. That's the big part. So many people make the goals so large and they don't break them down into bit-sized little pieces where you can get there. The next thing you want to do to get to your goal is to make sure that you are visualizing it every day. Think about something that you're looking forward to reaching for that goal and what's it going to provide for you. A sense of freedom, a sense of accomplishment. Act as if you already have it. Feeling that really great feeling deep down makes you want to achieve it even more. And I would say the last thing on goal setting that makes it possible and really keeps you focused on it is to keep up with or understand what skills you're going to need to accomplish it. And that's where I feel that we come in with, videos and training and understanding. And if you'd love to know more about the skill sets that are going to be required to get to that six figures and beyond, then I'd love for you to join me for my free masterclass. I'd love for you to register. The masterclass is going to go into all the skill sets that you're going to need, which is attracting the customers, to understanding how to bid, to acquiring them, understanding about production rate and everything that goes in a bid, and also how to close and how to keep your customers and your employees happy. So if that sounds like something that'd be a great fit for you, then make sure you click to register. I'd love to see you. And until next time, be safe. Bye-bye.